All right, guys, so I want to talk to you about organ meats. Now, I'm pushing them a lot because I very much realize, there is nothing better as a multivitamin than what you get in real organ meats. And the reason why I say this is because in these multivitamins or a lot of these supplements, they use binders and chemicals, chelators to get it more into the system. And some people have different sensitivities to certain fat soluble vitamins. And you might have like an E sensitivity, and now you're gonna get in one bottle a dosage that's for everybody. You know, you go to Whole Foods and you're like, oh, over 40 or under this age, and then they'll just throw in a bunch of these vitamins that are really not very bioavailable. Can I speak English? Bioavailable. And you have to really think about if you're eating, let's say, liver, which is the best organ meat because it has everything. It's got a lot of minerals in it. It's got zinc, it's got copper, it's got magnesium, not large amounts of magnesium, potassium. It has your fat soluble vitamins in it. It has vitamin C in it. It's got vitamin D in it. It's got selenium in it. It has a lot of things that people would need for or the B complex and B12. A lot of you have adrenal insufficiency, so you're going to need that full B complex. A lot of you guys are vitamin D deficient, and this is going to affect the thyroid and amongst a lot of other things. A lot of you are having calcium deficiencies. You're having a lot of deficiencies. And so instead of going to the store and then buying these chemically processed garbage, just go eat liver. Now, kidney is another organ that I'm really promoting for people to consume because you guys with leaky gut, okay, you guys have diamine oxidase deficiency. This is an enzyme, you guys. This is huge. This is an enzyme that helps you break down histamine, and so your body can deal with that inflammatory response. And there are foods that release more histamine. And if your body's not equipped to break down that histamine, you're going to feel terrible. So people's reactions to being histamine intolerant would be itchy. They would look like allergies, right? It could be from animals or food or anything. You get bloated, you get mucus buildup, you can't sleep, one nostril blocked, you get itchy skin and eczema and shingles and psoriasis and dandruff and all this weird stuff. These are signs of leaky gut. So it's typically starting from leaky gut, and then it like bleeds over to diamine oxidase deficiency, and you start having histamine responses. People with food will get bloated, they'll get gassy, they'll get nauseous, they'll flush in the skin. It's a mess. It's a hot mess, trust. So kidney helps your body to produce more of this missing enzyme from leaky gut. And then your body's able to deal with that inflammation a lot better. This water retention, bloated, nasty, itchy, this, that, mucus. It really works, you guys. Everyone that I've spoken to who has histamine intolerance or any type of allergy symptom will respond amazingly to kidney. Now, some people can't get grass-fed kidney, so there is desiccated kidney that you can find. I forget the name of the brand. I'll come back with you guys, put in the show notes, but there's one that's a grass-fed, very popular brand with glandular, I can't even speak, with organs, desiccated. So for those who are like traveling, they're like, I can't get kidney. You just take it with you, plop it in your mouth, and it will help with this inflammation. Now, heart is kind of like, especially beef heart, is very much like steak. So I don't know why people are tripping on it. If you don't get a lot of fat in the casing. Now, if you guys get like the heart I have, has a big, thick layer of fat. So there you're going to get beautiful fat soluble vitamins in that thick layer. So try to get heart that has a lot of fat on it. And if you're going to deal with people who've got a vitamin D deficiency, I'm not going to lie, brain is where it's at. So you take brain, you get it minced, you mix it with beef, you can make it with ground beef, and that's the same with tongue. The taste is so fabulous. Tongue will make a burger taste amazing, but just people freak out of the visual idea of it in their head. But if you take brain, you're going to get really high amounts of omega-3s, more than fish, and we know with no freaking, ocean pollutants. And then you can also get the wonderful vitamin D instead of using these supplements that are causing kidney damage to a lot of people. Now, how to cook them and all that kind of stuff and where to source them, I'll go more into that later, but I got more videos to do. So if you guys want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. And I've got consultations you can book with moi. I have a course which covers all the stuff that I'm talking about plus more. So today's course lesson was all about salt, the kind of salt that you need on any type of low carb dietary measure for various reasons. I also have, so the course covers low carb, high fat, keto carnivore, keto omnivore. I also have free content on my Instagram at Stephanie Ketogenic and information on my Facebook fan page, which is Stephanie the Business. That's what's up, person. Now I gotta go and do more videos. Bye. Like my new studio? Like that? Like it. Okay, this curtain's gotta go though.